Hello my dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, already in the last session we have revised some chapters. Remaining chapters let us revise in this session now. Let us start then. Some points from the chapter perimeter and area. So here perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. This is the definition of the perimeter. Here you may get the fill in the blanks as a dash of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Similar way, definition of area. The measure of the surface enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. So what is meant by area? To measure the plane surface enclosed by the boundary, inside surface. That is called as a area, children. Unit also you should know. Unit of perimeter is same as that of the length. Whatever the length is given, same is the unit of the perimeter. It is not changing. If it is centimeter, in answer you will get centimeter. If it is meter, in the answer you will get as a meter. But in the area is expressed in square units of length. Unit of area is how it will come? Double, square. Because we are multiplying. Perimeter we are adding. In the multiplication we are multiplying with the unit. So if it is a meter, you will get as a meter square or square meter. If it is centimeter, you will get centimeter square or square centimeter. So like this you have to keep in the mind. Okay. To solve the perimeter and area problems, you should know how to calculate the perimeter, how to calculate the area with the help of formula and all. Now, perimeter I told. If you remember the formula, well and good. Otherwise, only add the given boundaries properly. So, perimeter of triangle A, B, C. If it is there, all the sides you have to add. AB plus BC plus AC. All the sides only you have to do the addition. For the perimeter of square, if it is P, Q, R, S, you have to add PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP or all the boundaries. For the perimeter of rectangle, children, if it is L, M, N and T, add all the boundaries. That is LM plus MN plus NT plus TN. Or you can use the formula for the perimeter of triangle is 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. Understood? So this is perimeter of rectangle. Now, to find the area, children, for area of square or area of rectangle. For area of square, what is the formula? Side into side. Side into side. And here in the area of square, you will get only one side. That only we have to, as we know that for the square all sides are equal. So only one side you will get and you have to use the formula side into side. Do the multiplication, get the answer. For area of rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. So opposite, so in the rectangle, children, opposite sides are equal. So only one length and only one breadth you will get. You have to multiply and get the answer. So multiplication you require the area to find and addition it is for the perimeter. Even for the perimeter of square you can use the formula 4 into A. Means 4 times you are multiplying the given one side. That is also you can find. So if you remember the formula for the perimeter, well and good. Otherwise, add all the given side for the perimeter. But you have to keep in the mind the formula for the area, children. This is all about the perimeter of square and area. Now, children, what is meant by multiples? Multiples means I told it is a multiplication of a number. You have, and multiples are infinite. Factors are limited. Factors means in which table that number is present. Okay. So, for example, multiple. Now children, if it is asked, find the multiples of 3. How the question will come? Find first 5 multiples of 3. Means up to 5 only you have to find the multiplication. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It will ask for you, find first 2, first 3, 4, 5 and all, find the multiples. Or it will ask, find fourth multiple of multiple of 9. Only fourth multiple. That time what you have to do? 9 multiplied by 4. You will get the answer 36. So fourth multiple of 9 is 36. Like this also the question can come. 8th multiple, 7th multiple. Whatever they ask, 8th, 7th, 5th and all, multiply with that given number. Or sometime the question is is. Is means you have to always divide. I told already. So is means is 84 is a multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. If it is, you have to divide and check the answer whether really it is multiple. After dividing, if the exact division is there, then you can say yes. If you get any remainder, then it is no. So 2 4s are 8, 0, take the 4 down, 2 2s are 4. You are getting the exact division. So yes, 2 is a multiple of 84. Like this you people have to solve. Okay. Similarly in the factors now. Now children in the factors, if it is asked, find the factors of 7. In the factors children, if it is asked, find the factors of 8. Means in which numbers 8 is present, you have to find out. So always 1 is the factor of every number. That you have to keep in the mind. Okay. Then after 1, 8 is present in 2. 2 4s are 8. It is present in 4 and it is present in 8 also. So these all are the factors of 8. Always smallest factor is 1 of any given number and largest factor is always the number itself. Whatever the number is given, that will be the always largest factor. Because factors are limited. Here you might get the question. Here children you might get the question of smallest factor or largest factor also. You should know smallest is always 1, largest is the number itself. Then here also it may ask whether 3 is a factor of is. Is 3 a factor of 759? Okay. So to check whether really 3 is factor or not, you have to divide and get the answer. So 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Take the next number down, 5. 3 5s are 15. Then take next number down. 3 3s are 9. Exact division. Remainder is 0 means yes, 3 is a factor of 759. If any other remainder comes, then no, it is not a factor of that. So like this you people have to solve the variety of different problems based on factor and multiples. Number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The numbers which are divisible by 2 is such numbers are called as a even number. Then odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and all. Such kind of numbers are odd number which is not divisible by 2. Then prime number means the number which have exact 2 factors. 1 and that number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, then 7, then 11. If you see such kind of number which have only 2 factors, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, 1 and 7, 1 and 11 and so on. Such kind of numbers are called as a prime number which having only 2 factors, 1 and that number itself. Composite numbers mean the number which have more than 2 factors, opposite of this prime number. So for that 4, 6, 9, 12 which having more than 2 factors. Such kind of numbers are called composite number. And keep in the mind 1 is neither prime nor even. 1 is neither prime or composite. It is not prime number also and it is not a composite number. Because for 1 there is no 2 factor or for 1 there are no 3 factors also. So it is neither prime nor composite. It's prime as well as even number. 2 is prime number also as well as even number also. This kind of questions can come in your exam. So you should know. Okay children? Understand? Prime factorization and factor tree. Factor tree is totally depend on prime factorization. For example, if you take the number 108, first you have to find all the factor. Prime means you have to always divide with the prime number, that you have to keep in the mind. So how to find out the prime factorization? 108, start with the prime number. If it is, you can start with the smallest first. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then again 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 7s are 14. Then can you divide by 2 now? No, go for next prime number, that is 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Up to you get 1 here, you have to go on dividing. So these are all the factors of this number. So 108 you have to write in the form of prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is called as a prime factorization, children. Now this only we have to show in diagrammatically form, that is called as a factor tree. What it is called as a factor tree. Now how to draw that? Take that number 108 and I told always start from one side only, bigger number, and this is, so how to take the number? 2 multiplied by 54. Okay, so 54 multiplied by 2. Now how you get 54 here? 2 multiplied by 27. So you write here bigger number, always take one side, maybe left or maybe right. 27 multiplied by 2 and this 2 as it is you continue. Then how you got to 27? 3 9s are 27. So again 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by this 2 and this 2 continue. Okay. This is now 3, and so how the 9 you got now? 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is called as our factor tree, means showing all the factor in the form of factor tree. Okay. So if you check here also 3 3 3 2 2. If you see here also 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 2. So this is called the prime factorization, and showing in the form of diagrammatic form, that is called as a factor tree. This bigger number you can draw one side, maybe the left or maybe the right. Understanding? Okay. HCF means what? Highest common factor. Another name for HCF, children, GCD, that is greatest common divisor. You should know. For the fill in the blanks it can come. Then now how to find the HCF? First find all the factors, then in that take the common, and then in that common you have to choose the highest one. That is called as a HCF. Now first let us find out the factor. All the factors of 15. Which are the factors of 15? 15 1s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Any other table is there? No. So which are the factors now here? 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Similar way, go for 35. 35 1s are 35, 7 5s are 35. Any other factor is there? Any other table 35 is present? No. So take the factors 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now if you see here, you have find out the factors. After the finding the factor, only take the common factor. So 1 is common and 5 is common. So common factors are 1 and 5. And from that you have to find out the HCF. Means highest one. 1 is highest or 5 is highest? 5. So HCF of 15 and 35 is 5. Like this you people have to go step by step and solve the problem, children. Understood? Division method, children. Okay. So how to do the long division method? Always choose the smaller number, divide for bigger number. So 64 divided by 24. And whatever you are dividing, you have to write this side, in your right hand side. Now 24 twos, if you are not understanding, do the table here. 24 twos are 48. Then again 24 threes are 4 3s are 12, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 72. Now 72 is bigger, you cannot choose. So you have to take 24 2s are 48. Do the subtraction. This is 14 and this is 5. 14 minus 8, children, 6. And 5 minus 4, 1. Now this answer will be your new divisor and old divisor will be your new dividend. Okay. Now 16 2s are 32. So you have to take only 1. 16 1s are 16 children. Now 14 and this is 1. From 14 take out your 6. The answer will be here 8 and here 0. So again answer is a new divisor. Your old divisor is your new dividend. Now 8 2s are 16. So you got the 0. So because of which number you got the 0 here, reminder? Because of this divisor, that is 8, means HCF is 8. Like this you have to solve with the long division method. Means first you have to take the multiple of the given number, then find out the common in that, and from that lowest one. So first let us write the multiple. I told at least minimum 10 multiples you take first. So 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50. Now 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, and so on. So now if you see here, so now children, if you see here, 5 is common, no, 10 is not there, 15 not there, 20 not there, 25 not there, 30 not there, 40 is common, and which is the first common multiple. So LCM of 5 and 8 is 40 children. Like this you have to find out the first multiples, and in that first starting which common you are getting, that is the lowest. Okay. LCM by the long division method. Find the LCM by long division method. Okay children. So how to solve now? Start with the prime number 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. Can you divide 45? No, write as it is. Then move for the once again 2. 3 you cannot divide, write the number. 2 2 is 4. 45 write as it is. Then still you can divide by 2. 3 write as it is. 2 1s are 2 and 45. Now you move for the 3 number. 3 1s are 3. 1 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Then again 1 1 3 5s are 15 and then 5. So like this up to you are getting here everywhere 1 1 1. You have to go on multiple and then you have to find the product of this. So that is LCM of 6, 8 and 45 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 and get the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 24 3s are 72 and 72 5s are children 360. So you have to write the answer here. 360 is the LCM with the long division method. Like this you people have to solve the problem. Children, I hope you people have understood different variety of problems. Only test of divisibility you people have go through the definition and try to understand and practice all the different kinds of problem. Children, study well. Today we'll wind up our session here. Stay safe. Take care children.